Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add textures to your stickers on CapCut PC. So go to stickers and add in the stickers that you want to add. Maybe like press the plus button. Just like download it first and then add it to the video or whatever you want. I'm going to add more stuff like this. And this is just super random, but I'm just going to choose between these three stickers. Then I'm going to go to effects and I'm going to select texture and I'm going to select the print one. And I might select the print second, like the second one I mean. And then I'm also going to add in a folds texture on top of that. You can choose any texture that you want, by the way. And I might add in a little bit of plastic texture. To just leave it on the stickers, you can select everything, right click, and then select create compound clip. And as you can see, it will only be applied to the stickers and not the background. Although you can add in a different sort of texture to the background if you'd like to, but place it behind like that. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!